Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about that different laws of Boolean algebra by using logic gates. So here I am going to give one tutorial about that. First of all, we are going to see about that associative law. So here the associative law, first associative law is A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C equal to. So this will be A plus, this is B, plus C equal to A plus B plus C. So for to draw that we want two OR gates. Here I draw two OR gates. First you have to take this. Here for the from the first OR gate only one output is taken. Then here this will be so this will be the first OR gate. Here A plus B plus C we have to take that. So here you have to take B plus C. From the another, this is separate and this is also a separate one. The bracketed terms are have to be drawn by another AND gate. So this will be B plus C. Okay. So here we have to take this. This is A only. So one will be taken like this way. So only one gate is like that. So here this will be B plus C. Then A and B plus C have to be taken here. So here for this, from this you have to take the output of the second OR gate. So now we are getting A plus B plus C. So this will be for that left side equations. For that right side equations, I'll draw that. So this is for A plus B plus C. So here I'll draw that. This is A, B. So here we are getting A plus B. Then you have to take another OR gate. So here the output of the first OR gate is taken as the input of the second one, and another input is taken as C. So we are getting so here we are getting that this is A plus B the output. Here we are getting A plus B plus C. So this will be that associative law will be written by using that logic gates. So this is one of that law that this is for addition law, associative law in addition. So next we are going to see about that associative law in terms of multiplication. So associative law of multiplication. Multiplication is, first of all, we have to write that A into BC equal to AB into C. So here we want two AND gates. So first of all, we draw one AND gate, another AND gate have to be drawn. So from this first one you take A. So next is that. So here next AND gate, here B and C. We are getting the output as BC. Okay. So the output of this have to be taken as the input of the first AND gate. So here we are getting A into BC. So this is for the first equation, and for the second one AB into C. So for that also you have to draw the same thing only. So here A, B. First equation you take first. Okay. So A into B. So this can be written as AB. Okay. Next, another AND gate have to be drawn. Okay. So another AND gate have to be drawn here. So I'll draw here. I'll draw here. So this is for A. Okay. So first, second only we want C. Here we have to take C. The output of this taken as the first input of the second AND gate. So here we are getting AB into C. So this is for that associative law of multiplication. So next one, we go to the next law, that is distributive law. Distributive law. So this distributive law can be written as A into B plus C. This is equal to AB plus AC. So for that we have to draw that equations by using the logic gates. So first of all, A is the first one. So here first, the bracketed terms have to be taken first. This will be drawn by using that OR gate. OR gate. So this is B, C. So we are getting the output as B plus C. Next, A into B plus C, we have to draw an AND gate. So that input here, this will be taken. So here you can take A is the first one. So the output of this next is taken as the second input. So here we are getting A into B plus. So this is that logic gates diagram for that distributive law. So left hand side of this equations have to be drawn like this way. You have to take two AND gates. So this is A, B. Okay. So next is that we can take another A, B like this way, or you can take this way. Both are same only. You can take any other method for that. So here AB and here we are getting AC. So this can be combined and it is taken as the input for the OR gate. So AB plus BC. So this is that distributive law by using that logic gates. Okay. Okay. Next is that rules of Boolean algebra have to be proven by that using logic gates. For example, we are taking rule 1. So this will be the rule 1 for that Boolean algebra. A plus 0 equal to A. So this can be drawn by using that OR gate. So here, so we can take as A and this is as 0. That output is a constant and this is 0. So here, if A is equal to 1, 1 plus 0, so that output is A plus 0. So here, if A is equal to 1, we are getting the output is equal to 1. So here A is equal to 0 we can put, here we are getting the output as 0. So here the output and A both are same, so we can get B. So A plus A is equal to A. That can be proved by using that logic case. Second rule is A plus 1 is equal to 1. So for that also we have to take a OR gate. So OR gate have to be drawn like this way. Then so this will be this is A and this is 1. Okay, so here we are getting the output as A plus 1. If A is equal to 1, we are getting that output is equal to, so both will be 1, 1. So here we are taking that output X is equal to 1. So if A is equal to 0, that output is equal to 1. So whatever maybe the value 1, so the output is equal to next input only. So this is equal to 1. So likewise it can be proved. So for if you are taking A is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, that A plus, so sorry, for instead of A you have to put 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. So for any cases that value is equal to 1 only. So another thing is that third rule is that A into 0 equal to 0 only. So here this can be drawn by using that AND gate. So this will be A, so this will be A and this is 0. So we are getting the output X is equal to 0 only. So if A is equal to 1, 1 into 0, 0 only. 0 into 0, 0 only. So whatever it is, that value is equal to 0 only. So fourth rule is that A into 1 equal to A only. So for that also we are using that AND gate. So here it can be drawn like this way. So here it will be taken as that this is A and this is 1. This is equal to A. You are getting the answer as A. If A is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, A into 1 is equal to 0, 1. Here now that X is equal to 0. So then you have to take A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. 1 into 1, we are getting the output as 1. So whatever maybe the value is given for A, that is the output of this value. So it can be proved by using that logic gates. So fifth rule, we can take that fifth rule. We can take rule 5. A plus A equal to A. So for that we have to draw that OR gate. So this is the OR gate. A, this is A is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So both is equal to 0 means we are getting X equal to 0. So next we have to take that A is equal to 1, then A is equal to 1. Both will be 1. So we have X is equal to 1 only. So whatever may be the value, that has come as 1. Okay. So um, here both we have to take A only. Only two conditions we have to take. A is equal to 0, another A is equal to, we cannot take this because both are A only. So only two conditions have to be satisfied. Then rule 6 is that A plus A bar equal to 1. So for that A plus, okay. So for A is taken as this, here we can take this as A is equal to 1. We can take another input as A bar. So if A is equal to 0, here A bar is equal to 1. So here we are getting that X value equal to 1. So then you can modify that by putting A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Then another A bar is equal to 0. So here we are getting the output is equal to 1 only. So whatever may be that the output is equal to 1 only. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. So by using these two we can finalize that. So this is that rule 6. And then rule 7. Rule 7 is that A into A is equal to A. So here This already I did that. So yeah, instead of this, we are taking a into a bar equal to, this is equal to 0. A into a bar is equal to 0. So for that, I have to draw that and get. So this is A and this is A bar. So A is equal to 0, A bar is equal to 1. So this is equal to 0. So if A is equal to, if A is equal to 1, A bar is equal to 0. So we are getting the output as equal to 0. So for both of them, the output is equal to 0. So that A dot A bar is equal to 0. Then rule 9. So already rule 7 is that A dot A is equal to B. That is rule 7. That is rule 8. And that rule 9 may be A equal to A double bar. So here for that we have to take, so we are taking AND gate here. There's only one input is taken. So that output is equal to A bar. Again, it will be connected to a AND gate. So this will be A double bar. So if A is equal to 0, that A bar is equal to 1. Say A bar is equal to 1 means, so again it will be barred. So this is equal to 0. So here A and A double bar, both values will be the same. So from this we can finalize that. This is rule 9. So next one is that rule 10. Rule 10. So this will be A plus AB equal to A. So this can be written by a simplified form. So we can write this in simplified form here. A is common and both of them. So B plus 1 plus B can write 1 plus B is equal to 1 only, A into 1. So this is equal to 1. So we can simplify like this way. So next is that here we are using two rules like 1 plus B is equal to 1 and A into 1 is equal to A. So these two rules are used here. This can be drawn by using that logic gates. So here, so this will, here we have to take a OR gate. So this will be A. So this will be A. Next, AB can be taken like this way. So from this, you can take that A. Okay. So this is A. This is also A. A into B. So this is A into B. So this can be taken as the input of the OR gate. So A plus AB. So this will be that answer for that. So this is for rule uh, 10. So likewise, different rules have to be, so here likewise different rules have to be verified by using logic gates. So if you know this method means we can easily get that answer for that rules easily by using that logic gates. Okay, so this video is useful for you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.